Hi everyone, welcome to Vijay Vlog channel. Today I am going to create a sequence diagram using chatgpt. For this I am using chatgpt tool and draw.io. So in order to generate a sequence diagram, for that I am taking one example to generate a code for API using Spring Boot application. So here's the first prompt: generate a code for the flow of an API using Spring Boot application. So once I entered that, we ChatGPT generate the code, the basic model, repository, service, and all the classes. Finally, it generates the test script and also the curl command. So this one is optional. This step we can directly add a next prompt to ask the flow, how the working flow for a Spring Boot application. I mean, a API to work in a Spring Boot application. So I'm just adding one example to showcase, and then followed by the steps for the above API. So in this example, right? So it gives all the steps in a in a summary. Okay, so all the, whatever the how the request comes from the client, how the dispatch servlet forward that to the controller, and then service, repository, database, and again how it will goes back to the client. So once it is done, I am going to add one more prompt uh, to generate the mermaid code. So mermaid is a script that used to create the diagram and charts. Okay, so for that I am adding a generate pyramid code for the above flow. So here the ChatGPT is very interactive. So I can simply say, and I want to mention that again I need to generate the flow and all. Nothing. I can simply mention that above flow can generate the pyramid code. So it generates the code, and I simply copy that one and use any of the mermaid live editor. Here in this case, I am using the draw.io. So draw.io, you can copy the mermaid code by using the arrange from menu under layout, under insert. You can go to advanced, select mermaid, and paste the code selected from the ChatGPT. Once you click on that one, it will generate the complete sequence diagram for an API. Here you can see all the components, whatever the components that are required, right? In the sequence diagram, it's all perfectly given and executed. Client, dispatch servlet, controller, service, repository, and database. So that's how we can generate the sequence diagram within 4 minutes. And that's all for this video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.